Here's how to fix duplicate apps on Android. Now, if you have your Android phone and there are multiple apps of the exact same one, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first option you have is to swipe up and we'll get into your settings. So tap on the settings icon here. And from here, let's scroll down, keep scrolling down until we find the option for advanced features and tap on that. Now, there is one option that you might have duplicated various apps. If you scroll down here, you'll be able to see dual messenger. If you tap on that, it does give you the ability to duplicate certain apps. You can see, for instance, Facebook, if I turn that on and hit install, and I hop out of here, you can see if I swipe up, there is Facebook right there in the middle, and there is Facebook again, another copy of it. So all you need to do is go back into your settings here and turn this off and uninstall that duplicated app. That's your first option. The second option is to go back out of here in your settings. Let's go to the beginning and we're going to look for the apps option. So scroll down and tap on apps here. Now from here, let's just scroll down and find some apps. You can see in this case, I have two different Chrome apps. I'm going to tap on one of them, let's say the second one, and I'm going to do a force stop and hit OK. And then I'm going to go back in and hit disable and disable app. Now, this should basically prevent that app from running and being used, and you can just use that main primary app. However, if you still find that it is duplicated, you might want to hop out of here and just delete that app entirely. So if I tap and hold on Chrome here, I can just hit remove and remove that app from my phone or from the home screen, and then it will no longer be duplicated in here. I won't have to worry about multiple different apps of the exact same thing. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.